Hey there, I'm Jane. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up. And welcome to my workshop! We're gonna have so much fun. So thank you for joining me. My workshop is gonna be a video workshop, but we're also gonna have a chance to play with some of the toys later on. So first let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have been a Stampin' Up customer for about 20 years, and I've been paper crafting for 20 years. And I got into Stampin' Up about 15 years ago. My mom was my demonstrator and she recruited me. And when I moved, I had to give it up for a while, but I am back and I've been a customer ever since. I love Stampin' Up. There are a lot of reasons why, and I'm going to tell you all about those reasons why soon. Let me show you real quick what I've been working on the last few days. I've been doing some paper crafting using the Tea Room Suite, which is what I'm going to be showing you mostly for this workshop. These are all of my new ink pads, and those are some old ink pads, and this is my craft room. So I've got some ink pads over there. Those are my 20 years of collecting rubber stamps. So I've got a lot of rubber stamps. So, you know, I've kind of been doing this for a while, been there, done that, but even though I've tried just about everything in the store, I always come back to Stampin' Up because I love the versatility, I love the products, the quality. Stampin' Up is just at the forefront of everything. They are #1, or at least leading in paper crafting world. And I guarantee if you get on any groups, on Facebook groups, maybe you have a cutter like a Silhouette, you are going to hear so many people say, I will never cut any other paper or cardstock than Stampin' Up brand. And I agree with that. So I have a lot of cardstock. Right now, I've got all of my cardstock. Can you see it right down in here? It's kind of dark down there, but that's where I keep all my cardstock. So that's kind of a little tour of my craft room. Let's see, what else to tell you? Celebration is going on right now, and I'm going to have a video all about what Celebration is and why this is the perfect time to order to have a workshop from Stampin' Up, to become a demonstrator. I became a demonstrator last year during Celebration because I wanted to take advantage of all of the benefits that it offers. So I'll tell you all about that in another video. I'm going to talk to you a little bit about what you can do with rubber stamps if you're a scrapbooker, if you're an artist. Another reason I got into Stampin' Up, or got back into it, was because I missed all of the products and I really, really wanted all the new colors in the marker line because I use those markers in my artwork. You can make cards, you can make gifts, there's so many different things you can do with it. So I'm going to be detailing all of those in my upcoming videos. Stay with me and I'll be right back with you soon. See you soon!